How do you show appreciation to the important people in your lives at Christmas time? What can you give coworkers, teachers, friends, family members to make them really feel appreciated? Yeah, you could give them a card and a box of chocolates, but if you really want to impress and show these people that you really care and treasure them, a dessert tray may be the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to plan delicious dessert trays that are also eye candy. Oh, and did I mention they're all going to be vegan? No one will know though, and I wouldn't recommend stressing that fact. You don't want to scare anyone at Christmas. Really, the only difference between vegan and non-vegan baking are just a few substitutions, mainly for eggs, milk, and butter. I'll include this cheat sheet in the links below. You can take whatever family recipe you like and make a few substitutions, or you can find so many tasty recipes online. I'll include links to some of my favorites below. What you're looking for is a variety of tastes, shapes, sizes. For example, you could have 2 types of cookies, a bar, a bark, a ball, and a chocolate. Of course, you'll need to know how many treats to make, so make a list of everyone you want to give platters to. You could even write small, medium, large next to their name if you want different size platters. Decide on the date you want to give out your platters. And if it's different for some people, write that next to their name on the list. Now that you're all organized with who and when you need your platters for, you can now calculate how many treats of each kind you need. Put on your calendar which kind of cookie or treat to make when, so all will be ready on time. Make a list of the ingredients that you're missing in the house and go shop for ingredients. Remember your vegan substitutions. Just get vegan margarine instead of butter, plant milk instead of cow milk, and ground flax seeds instead of eggs. Or if combining flax seeds and water is too complicated, just get the egg replacer. Oh, and dark chocolate and most bittersweet chocolate is vegan. If it says may contain milk, just made in a factory that processed milk products. Time to start baking and freezing. Enjoy the process of making your Christmas cookies. Put on some Christmas music and the job will feel like fun. Follow your schedule for which treat to make when. Dollar stores and discount stores have excellent ideas on packaging and cards for presentation of your goodies. You could also use pretty Christmas plates for those you know you'll get back. Now comes the moment we've worked up to, putting your dessert plates or boxes together. Make sure to label them for who they're going to. You did it! Enjoy giving your dessert trays out and pat yourself on the back for a job well done.
Small town vegan, living and thriving as a plant eater in a small town.